Let's see the first question, and the first question is on your screen and your time starts now. This question is from non-verbal category. Okay, it is from the non-verbal category, and this question is basically from the series. Okay, series in non-verbal. So let's see what the pattern is being followed. So as you can see, this is following in clockwise direction. So it is following in clockwise direction. As you can see, it is growing in clockwise direction. Okay, so now it is here, so it should go like this, then like this. Okay, so as you can see, option C seems to be valid one. This should be here. Okay, so after this much step, it should make one more block, so option C is the valid one. Okay, so option C is the correct answer. Okay, let's see the next question. It is from the non-verbal category again, and the pattern is like series. Okay, so the problem figure states there are some two figures, one is horizontal line and one is semicircle. So as you can see, this line is rotating in anti-clockwise direction. Okay, so in the next figure it should come like this, it should come like this, and this semicircle is every time it is reversing. Okay, so now it is open with respect to this line, now it should close. So option B should be the correct answer. Okay, so for this particular question, option B is the correct. This answer is wrong. This is option B. Okay, option B is the right answer. Let's see the next question. How many 7s are there in full sequence which are followed by 3 but not preceded by 9? What does this mean? How many 7s are there? Okay, 7 which is followed by 3. Okay, so which is followed by 3 but not preceded by 9. So in front of 7, 9 should not be there. So we have to look for this pattern. Okay, so as you can see, where is 7 3? This is 7 3, and it is preceded by 6, not 9. So this we can count as 1. Let's see the next. Since this is preceded by 9, so we should ignore that. 3 7 3, yes, you should count, it is 2. Then this one you should count because it is preceded by 6, not 9. So this is count number 3. And if you go for this, it is again preceded by 9, you should ignore. So we are left with option 3. Okay, so option B 3 is the right answer. Okay, so option B is the correct answer. Let's see the next question. This is from the category called analogy. Okay, this is from the category analogy. As you know, the synonym of vigilant is alert. Okay, in the same way, the synonym of viable is, out of these 4 options, feasible seems to be the most perfect one, and option D is the correct answer. Okay, so those who have given option D as their answer, they are right. Let's see the next question, and your time starts now. This is again from the category called analogy. Okay, so you need to find the relationship between doctor and nurse, and similarly you need to tell the same relationship for this follower and this question mark. Okay, so as you can see, generally a nurse follow the instruction of doctor. Similarly, who follows the instruction of out of these 4 options, follower should listen. Okay, so as you know, leader has certain follower, and follower generally listen to the instruction given by the leader. So option B seems to be the perfect one. Okay, so option B is the right answer. Let's see the next question. It is again from the non-verbal category, a very easy one. Okay, non-verbal category. It is again from the non-verbal, but this is from the analogy, not from the series. Okay, so analogy means what? So there is a certain relationship between these 2 figures. You need to find the same relationship with these 2 figures. Okay, so as you can see, this is a black, this is a black. so now they have reversed, so this black, so in the next figure here should be the black. Okay, so out of these four options you can simply ignore option this and this. Okay, so you are left with option A and C. Okay, and coming to the star, it is moving at the corner. Okay, so it is moving in the anti-clockwise direction, so it has moved in the one corner, so currently it is here, so it should come here. Okay, so as you can see, option C, your dot has moved on the left corner in anti-clockwise direction, so option B seems to be the perfect one. Let's see the answer, and option C is the correct answer. Okay, let's see the next question. It is again from the non-verbal category, and the C again it is from the analogy but with non-verbal category. Okay, so let's find the relationship between these two. So as you can see, there are two figures. Okay, so there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 sides are there, but in the second relationship, if you find 1 2 3 4 5 figures, so one side has been reduced. And coming to the internal portion, this dots has moved outside, and there is one more dot with a dark color has put inside. So if you make similar pattern with this third number, what should be it? So there are 4 sides, so in the next it should have 3 sides, so triangle should be there, and these 2 dots should move outside, and their dark should be there. Okay, so option let's see, let's match the option. So option A is the perfect one, so option A is the right answer. Okay, let's see the next question. Let's see what is that. Okay, so this question come from the category called classification. Okay, and it is also known as odd man out. Okay, odd man out. So let's see the pattern. This, as you can see, B C D I J K P N, so this seems to be the different one. Let's see the next one, S T U. So option C is the odd man out. So what is the pattern? There is one letter, after that they are skipping one and putting the next character. So option C is not following that rule, so option C is the correct answer. Let's see the next question. It is again from the category classification. Okay, let's see the pattern. C F, so C D E F, F after F G H I J K L. So if we consider first as correct answer, so there is always an increment of 2 positional characters. Okay, so let's see whether it is being followed by other option. P Q R S, okay, S T U V, okay, V W X. So there is only one increment in the last, V W X. Let's see the other option, whether which one it is correct. Let us see. J K L M M N O P. So there is 2 increment, P Q R S. Okay, so this is following option A, so we are left with option B. Okay, because there is increment of 1 instead of 2. Okay, let's see whether D is following the same pattern, plus 2. O P Q R R S T U U V W X. So it is again following this plus 2 rule, but option B is not following that rule, so option B is the right answer. Let's see the next question. It is from the category called coding decoding. A very simple one. So whenever you see some numbers with respect to some word, remember it can be positional dependency. So as you know, there is a rule called EJOT. E stand for 5 position, J 10, O 15, T 20 and Y 25. So if you decode cat, so what is the position of cat? C is what? 3, A is 1 positional, and T is, as you can see, it is 20. So 20, 23, 24. So this is being rightly coded. Let's see for the bat. So B is 2, A is 1, T is 20. So 20, 22, 23. So option C should be the right answer, and option C is the correct answer. Okay, let's see the next question. It is again from the coding decoding. This is somewhat interesting. So as you can see the pattern, what is the pattern being followed? This is reverse basically. So let me write computer. So C goes here at the extreme ends as it is, and R goes extreme as it is. After that there is an increment of, let's see, O become P, OP, so there is increment of 1, M become N, P become Q, U become V, T become U, and E become F. Okay, so reverse extreme characters, and there is one increment from reversal way. Okay, so let's see for the medicine. So let's reverse the position. So E goes here, M goes here, and E, F, D, E, I, J, C, D, I, J, N, O. So answer should be E, O, J, D, J, E, F, M. So option A is the correct answer. Okay, so, understood? Let's see the next question. It is again from the coding decoding. Okay, so 381 means Hari is honest. Okay, and 162 means Sashi is intelligent. Okay, so there is common between 381 and 162 is 1, and in the sentence if you say there is only one thing is common, is. So is means 1. Let's go for 948. So 948 means Hari should go, and here in between these two, 381 and 948, 8 is common, and in the sentence only Hari is common, so Hari means 8. So honest should be 3. Okay, so option A is the correct answer. Okay, very simple one. Let's see the next question. It is from the sitting arrangement. Okay, so there are three questions from sitting arrangement. So let's draw this particular tree. Okay, so there are 8 persons, so this is a round circle, so there are 8 persons. Let me draw the points 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, D is third left of T, so you can start from anywhere. So D is third left of T, 1, 2, 3. So T should be here, left of T. T means who is fifth right of P, so fifth right of P, so 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So here P should be there. A is third to the left of B. A is third to the left of B. Let's move forward. Who is second right of D? So B is basically second to the right of D. So B is second to the right of D, and A is third right of B, 1, 2, 3. So A should come here. Okay, after that Q is second to the left of M. So there are 2 positions where you can fit second one. Okay, so Q is second to the left of M. So we are left with what person? R. Okay, this is R. So let's solve the question. Who is second to the right of M? Who is second to the right of M? 1, 2. Q. So option D should be the correct answer. Okay, let me see, it's option who is second to the right of M. Sorry, this we have made mistake. It is Q is second to the left of M. So Q is second to the left of M. Okay, so here M should come. Q is second to the left of M. So in that case, who is second to the right of M? 1, 2. So T. So option T is the correct answer. Let's see the next question. Who is third right of P? Who is third right of P? This is R. Who is third right of P? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. M should be there, and M is the correct answer. Okay, let's see the next question. Which of the following pair represent the immediate neighbor of A? Okay, let's go to the diagram. Okay, let me see the pair PTPB, immediate neighbor of A. Okay, immediate neighbor of A is P and R. Let's see. Immediate neighbor of A are P and R. So option D should be the correct answer. Yes, it is correct. Okay. Let's go to the next question. I don't know why they have put in general intelligence. This is somewhat related to general English. Anyhow, conundrum means what? Student, this is a very typical word. Okay, conundrum, and it means very hard question. Okay, so this is option B. Okay, this is option B. Hard question means conundrum. Okay, let's see the next question. Zenith mean, as you know, zenith means peak, and the opposite of zenith is nadir, which is the lowest point. So correct answer for this question is peak. Let's see the next question. It is from the blood relation. It is from the blood relation. So A and B are married couples. So let's quickly draw this tree. A and B are married couples. X and Y are brother. X is brother of A. X is brother of A, and X and Y are brothers. So X and Y are brothers. So these are brothers. So how is Y related to B? Okay, Y will be obviously brother-in-law. If A is either male or female, or B is either male or female, Y will always be brother-in-law. So option B is the correct answer. Okay, let's see the next question. It is from the alphabet test. And these are very commonly asked question. So you need to tell how many independent words can be made without changing the order and using each letter verse. Okay, you need not to change the order of letters, and each letter should be used only once. As you can see, the first word is as, second word is to, and third word is under, and fourth word is astound. Okay, it means shocking. So there are 4 words, but if you see in internet, you will find 3 as an answer, but astound is also one other word. So option D is the correct answer. Okay, quickly coming to the next question. It is again from the coding decoding, and this is again positional dependency. As you know, A substitutes by 1, B 2, Z 26. Okay, so let's see how decay is being made. So as you can see, the position of D is 4, E is 5, C is 3, A is 1, and Y is 25. If you add all these, you will get 38. Yeah, 38. So option A is the correct answer. Okay, also option A is the correct answer for this question. Let's see the next question quickly. These are not commonly asked question, but let's see. Good minds, good find, good health is above wealth. So health is wealth. Obviously there is a relationship between health and wealth, so this is correct. Wealth is everything in life, we can say. Sound mind is in sound body, you can determine from this. If health is lost, everything is lost. There is no negative sentence here. Okay, so you cannot deduce option D from these options. From my perspective, option D is the correct answer for this question. Okay, so option D should be the right answer. Let's see the next question. Work is worship, true success is to labor. Okay, so again this is again positive. So hard work brings success in life. So as you can see, work is worship. Okay, so if you want you are doing work, then obviously success will be there. God those help who does not help themselves. It is not being stated in the statement, so option B should be the correct answer. Okay, time starts now. This question is from the category called coding decoding. Okay, coding decoding plus analogy. Okay, so they have coded this word as this, so you need to make similar pattern for this word. Okay, so the code word is A B C D and it is coded like W X Y Z. Okay, so as you can see, they are reversely written. Okay, A, the reverse end is Z, B reverse end is Y, C reverse end is X, and D reverse end is W. Similarly, if you go for E F G H, the reverse will be S T U V. The reverse of E is U, G is U, F is T, and H is S. So option A is the right answer. Okay, so option A is the correct answer. Let's see the next question, and your time starts now. It is from the category called analogy. Okay, where you need to tell the relationship between the given words. So like chairman is as conference. Okay, so generally a conference has a chairman. Similarly, a newspaper has what? So as you know, newspaper have various person, but the most appropriate, like chairman is the head of the conference. Similarly, the head of newspaper is generally an editor. Okay, so option D is the right answer. The next question is from coding decoding. Okay, coding decoding. Let's see how it is coded. So hard is coded as 4327. Okay, 4357. Similarly, soft is coded as 2468. 2468. Okay, so as you can see, there is 1:1 relationship. So 4 stand for what? O. So in all these options, you can eliminate option A because it doesn't have 2 O's. Okay, so we are left with these option. Okay, so the next thing, you can eliminate option B. Why? Because here it has 5 characters, 5 digits, but school has 6, so you can eliminate this. So we are left with either shoot or shul. Okay, so as you know, 8 is what? T. Okay, so option C is the correct answer. Okay, so option C, shoot, is the correct answer. Let's see the next question. This question is from the category called calendar. Okay, calendar. So the question says Anil was born on 29th February 1960. Okay, so as you know, February has 28 days for the normal years, but for the leap year it has 29 days. Okay, so as you know, this is a leap year. So in this leap year, this 29 day has come. So how many birthday will be celebrated up to 29th February 1976? Again, this 1976 is an odd year. You can calculate it by dividing with 4. Okay, so this is again a leap year. Okay, so we need to jump after 4 years. So this is 1960 is the leap year. 1960 is the leap year. So next birthday he will celebrate in 1964, and next birthday he will celebrate in 1968, next in 1972, and next is 1976. So how many birthday he has celebrated? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so option D is the right answer. So option D is the right answer. Let's see the next question, and your time starts now. This question is from category odd man out. Okay, a very simple one. So as you can see, out of these 4 options, all are gemstone. Like ruby is the gemstone, sapphire is a gemstone, topaz is a gemstone, but granite is not a gemstone. Okay, so option C is the odd man out, and option C is the right. Okay, let's see the next question. It is from the category called analogy. Okay, so the relationship between building and architect, as you know, the architect design a building. Similarly, who design a dress? Generally a designer design a dress. So option C is the right one. Okay, let's see the next question, and your time starts now. This question is from the order and ranking. Okay, so let's see it. Nisha is taller than Suja. Okay, so Nisha is taller than Sujata. Okay, Nina is taller than Nisha. Okay, so Nina is taller than Nisha. Neela is taller than Nina. Neela is taller than Nina. Misha is tallest of all. So Misha will come here. Misha is tallest of all. According to their height, who is in the middle? So this two from the front, these two from the back. So Nina is in the middle. So option B is the right answer. Okay. So quickly coming to the next question. Again, this question is from the odd man out. Okay. So this from these options, option B, text, is the correct one, because forward, index and preface are generally either in front section or the back section of any textbook, but text is generally included in the middle. Okay, so option B seems to be the valid one. Okay, let's see the next question. Which word cannot be formed from latter word cardiogram? Okay, so it is very simple one. You need to find the word. Like radio, we can form RADIO. This we can form. Aerogram we cannot form because E is not there in cardiogram. So option B is the right answer. Okay, let's see the next question. This is from the counting figure. This is from the non-verbal. Okay, counting figures. So here you need to count the number of square. It is very simple one. Okay, so first see the largest box. Okay, so this largest have 1 square, then this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7, this is 8, this is 9, and this one is 10. So option 10 is the right answer. Okay, let's see the next question. Arrange the following in logical order. Okay, this is called sequence logical ordering question. Okay, sequence logical order. Okay, in these type of question you need to form the logical order based on some criteria. Okay, so as you can see, gold, iron, sand, platinum, diamond. So on what basis you can sort? So here it could be on the basis of their cost. So as you know, the sand one is the cheapest. Okay, after that iron. Okay, so sand is the cheapest of all, then iron, then we have gold, then we have diamond, and platinum is the most costliest of all. Okay, so option B is the right answer. Okay, so the logical order is based on their costs. Okay, let's see the next question, and I think this is the last question. In the following question, you need to complete the pattern for this question mark. Okay, so as you can see, in order to fill this pattern, this square filling should like be this. Okay, so this pattern will be completed. So out of these 4 options, if you see, option B is the right answer. This is not C, it is B. Okay, this is B. I request all the students who are present here as well as those who are watching online, just try to give the answer, and your time has already started. Yes, time's up. Student, the question says, how many meaningful words that can be formed using letter A, C, R, S, using each letter once in each word? Okay, so you need to form the meaningful English words. Okay, so let's making this meaningful words. So first meaningful word that can be formed from these letter will be cars. Okay, and the second one you can make is arcs, ARCS. Third word you can make is scar, SCAR. Okay, so these are the three words that we can form from these letters. So option B is the correct answer. Okay, let's solve the next question, and your time starts now. Student, this question is from the logical reasoning. Okay, and time's up. Okay, so let's solve this question. So blueberries cost more than strawberries. Okay, so blueberries cost more than strawberries. Blueberries cost less than raspberry. Okay, so blueberries cost less than raspberries. Okay, raspberry cost more than both strawberry and blueberry. Okay, so question says if first two statements are true, the third statement is what? Is it true, is it false, uncertain, or data inadequate? Okay, so just you need to combine these two statements. How can you combine? It will be like this: blueberry is greater than strawberry, and since blueberry is less than raspberry, so you can write this. Okay, so third statement, raspberries cost more than strawberries and blueberries, will be definitely true. Okay, so if statement 1 and statement 2 is true, then definitely statement 3 will be true. So answer will be option A, true. Okay, option A, true, will be the correct answer. Okay, coming to the next question. Student, this question was in question paper, but this question is invalid. Why? Because no equation is given. Okay, so some equation should be given having plus, minus, multiply, then you can answer this question. So this question is invalid in that paper. Okay, let's see the next question, and your time starts now. Student, this question category is called logical order. Okay, logical order of words. Okay, logical order of words. Okay, so let's solve this question. Student, these are the 4 words. You need to make a proper sequence. Okay, so student, these word are some related to meeting. Okay, so in meeting, first what will happen? The arrival of parties comes. Okay, so it start with option 3. Okay, 3, and after arrival there will be some introduction. Okay, 3, 5. So let's eliminate few of the options. So option 1 and option 4th, option A and option D are eliminated, so we are left with option B and C. So after introduction there will be presentation. Okay, so 3, 5, 1. So we are left with option C, and if we move forward, then what happens? Then there will be discussion on that topic. After that, finally there will be some recommendation. So option C is the correct answer. So those students who have given their answer is option 3, they are right. Okay, so let's solve the next question, and your time starts now. Time's up. Student, this question is from analogy plus coding decoding. Okay, this is a combination of the question. Okay, analogy and coding decoding. Okay, so this word is coded as this, so you need to code that similar pattern with this word think. Okay, so let's first find out what is the encryption form for this word reason. Okay, so how this reason is encrypted, let's see. SFBTPO. Okay, so as you clearly sees that RSEFABSTOPNO, so there is +1 alphabet is increased for each letter. So similarly, if you increase each letter by 1, you will have your answer. So T U H I I J N, and what N will become? O K L. So UIJOL. student, this is wrong. Option 2 is misprinted. Okay, it is UIJOL. Okay, as you can see, UISS cannot be there because after I you will have J, so option B is the right answer. Okay, it is UIJOL. Okay, quickly moving to the next question. It is from the calendar and your time starts now. Time's up, student. This question is from the calendar, a very simple question. Okay, so Sneha correctly remembers Kiran's birthday was after Tuesday and before Friday. So let's make a diagram for that. After Tuesday and before Friday. Okay, so her birthday will be in between. Raman correctly remembered that Kiran's birthday was after Wednesday. Okay, so after Wednesday but before Sunday. Okay, so here is Sunday, so we will have a range of this much. Okay, so it is before Friday and after Wednesday, so there is one day left. What is that? Thursday. Okay, so and Thursday is the correct answer for this question. Okay, so Thursday is the day on which Kiran's birthday fell. Okay, so option B is the correct answer. Quickly moving to the next question. It is again from the logical reasoning, the question that we have seen on raspberry and strawberry. Okay, so let's make the statement for this. So apartment in Riverdale Manor costs less than apartment in Gaslight Commons. Okay, so what we can write, R is less than G. R stand for Riverdale Manor and G stand for Gaslight Common. Similarly, apartment in Liverstone is greater than, is more than Gaslight Commons. Okay, so just combine these two. What will you get? R is less than G and less than L. So if first two statements are true, the third statement is what is the third statement? Out of three apartment building, Livingston Gate cost the most. Okay, so as you can see, this Livingston Gate costs the most. Okay, so option A will be the correct. Why? Because if you have two statement are true, then definitely third statement will also be true. Okay, so we have deduced that third statement is true, so option A is the correct answer. Okay, quickly coming to the next question. It is again from the coding decoding. Okay, you can practice accordingly. So let's solve it. Student, as you can see, the word play is coded as TPEC. Okay, so what is the relation between this? Let's find out the positional difference. P Q R S T, so there is plus 4 letters. L M N O P, again after adding plus 4 we have P, again A B C D E and Y Z A B C, so plus 4. So there is a increment of 4 for each letter. Okay, therefore for game what will be the answer? G H I J K, okay, A B C D E M N O P Q, okay, plus 4, E F G H I. Okay, so answer is K E Q I. Okay, so option D is the correct answer. Okay, let's see the next question and your time starts now. It is from the sitting arrangement, linear sitting arrangement, and time's up. Student, this question is from linear sitting arrangement. Okay, so let's draw a sequence for that. 5 persons are sitting in a row. Okay, let's draw 5 persons. 1 2 3 4 5. Tarak is right of John. Okay, so let's make this Tarak. Tarak is right of John. Okay, Murli is to left of John. Okay, Murli is left of John, but to the right of Lalit. Okay, but to the right of Lalit. Okay, so this Murli, this Murli is right of Lalit. Okay, so this Murli is right of Lalit. If Tarak is to left of Khurshid, okay, if Tarak is left of Khurshid, so this is Khurshid and Tarak is left of Khurshid, so this is gone. Okay, so we have 5%. So what he is saying, who is at the extreme left? So extreme left we have Lalit, so option C is the right answer. Okay, so option C is the right answer. Okay, let's see the next question, and your time starts now. Again, this question is from coding decoding. Okay, let's solve it. So the word is gardener, Gardner. Okay, so how it is coded? FBQE. Okay, this much is sufficient. So FG means we are decrementing one letter. Before G what comes? F, and here we are incrementing A, B. Here we are decrementing R by 1, then it become Q. Again here we are incrementing. So there is a pattern of -1, +1, and say so on. Okay, so what will be the coded form for dramatist? Okay, let's have this much word only. Okay, so D, what come? Yes, C, because we need to subtract first, then we need to add R, S. So we can straight away eliminate these two options. So next, what is A? So we need to decrement by 1, so we get Z. Okay, so again option 1 is eliminated, so we are left with option B, and option B is the correct answer. Okay, you need not to go further, just a few later you can look. Okay, so option B is the right answer. Coming to the next question, and your time starts now. Okay, student, this question is from order and ranking. Okay, let's see the question. So in a row of boy, Rajan is 10th from the right. Okay, this is the right, so Rajan is 10th from the right. Okay, and Suraj is 10th from the left, so Suraj is 10th from the left. This is Suraj and this is Rajan. Now what happens, they interchange their position, and Suraj will be on 27th. Okay, so Suraj is now shifted on 27th. Okay, so previously he was in 10th, now he is on 27th. Okay, this is 10th. So as you can see, what is the difference between 27 and 16? How many people will be there? 27 minus 10, what will be the answer? Yes, 16. Okay, so what they are asking, which of the following will be Rajan position? So Rajan will be, if we need to from the right. Okay, we need to find out from the right. So previously his position was 10th, so we need to add 10 to this 16. Okay, because the difference between these two is 16, and if we add 10, so we get the position from the right. Okay, and plus 1 position, why it is required? Because 1 we are excluding for it, that. Okay, so the answer is 27. Okay, so option D, 27 is the right answer. Okay, quickly moving to the next question. I think this is the last question, student. This question is very simple. So what question says, if in each number first and last digit are interchanged, which will be the third highest number? Okay, so let's interchange first and last. So if we interchange first and last digit, what will be the number? 279 it will become 286, it will become 981, it will become 892. Third highest means first, this is the first highest, this is the second highest, third highest will be option B. Okay, so option B is the correct answer. Okay, so let's move to the next question, and your time starts now. Student, you need to find the next number. Okay, here after 61 what should be the answer? Okay, so as you can see, 5 2 j 10, 13 2 j 26. Okay, so here he is adding plus 3, 10 plus 3 13, so 26 plus 3 29. So 29 multiplied by 2 is 58, then again adding 2, then it should be multiplied with sorry, difference is 3 and it should be multiplied with 2, so 61 2 ja 122. Okay, so option A is the correct answer. Okay, a very simple one. Coming to the next question, let's begin the timer. Student, this question is from the direction sense test. Okay, this question is from direction. Okay, so let's make a diagram. So the person is facing east, so he is facing in this direction. Then I turn 100 degree in clockwise, so this is clockwise, this is 90, so this is 100 degrees, so he turned like this. After that he turned 145 degree in anti-clockwise direction. Okay, so as you know, this is 90, okay, and this is 10 100 and 145, this much is 45 degrees, so total this angle is 145 degree anti-clockwise. So now he is facing in this direction. What is this direction? This is north, this is east, northeast is the answer. Okay, so option B is the correct answer. Is on your screen and your time start now. Student, this question is from the category called coding decoding. Okay, it is very important section in all the competitive examination. Okay, so you need to decode the word how it is being coded. Okay, so let's see the word. The word is friend. Okay, FRIEND. Okay, it is coded as HUMJTK. Okay, so you need to establish a relationship between these two words. So how this is being coded? Okay, so if you look, just see the characters F G H. So after adding one character, you are having the next character. Okay, F G H R S T. So in between there are two characters, so we are adding two characters and we get the third character. I J K L M. So in between there are three characters, so we are adding three characters. Okay, so it will be so on like this, plus 4 plus 5 and plus 6. Okay, so the word which we need to write is candle. Okay, so let's write the candle first, CANDLE. Okay, so as I told you, there should be one character between these. Okay, so C, D and next should be E. So out of these four options, you can straight away eliminate option 1 and option 2. Okay, now next is there should be addition of two characters, A, B, C, next should be D. So as you can see, option 3 has only D as a second position, so option 3 is the right answer. Okay, you need not to go further, you can use the elimination strategy. Just now we have solved like that. Okay, so option 3 is the right answer. Okay, coming to the next question, it is again from the coding decoding, a very simple one. Okay, again it is from coding decoding. Okay, and the now word is zebra. Okay, so how it is coded? It is written as 2652 181. Okay, student, don't afraid with this number. This is very simple. As you can see, Z position number is 26 and E is position as 5 and A is position at 1. Similarly, R is position at 8. Okay, and so on. Okay, so if you see Cobra, let's see how it is written. Cobra, as I told you earlier, there is a shortcut called EJOT. Okay, so with the help of this shortcut, you can find the position of the alphabet, like 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So C stand for, as you know, it is 3. So all option have 3, so we can eliminate option 4. Then O, as you know, it is positional dependency is 15, so 3, 1, 5 should be there. So out of this, option 2 has only 3, 1, 5. So we are left with option 2, and option 2 is the right answer. Okay, let's see the next question. It is odd and out, very simple, but you should know the meaning of the word given in the options. So odd one out, which does not fall in the same category, you need to eliminate that option. Okay, so as you know, vapor, mist and fog, these are form of some water droplet, or you can say it is form of some water. Okay, but hailstone is generally an ice stone. Okay, it is an ice stone. It is generally in solid form, whereas vapor, mist and fog are in gaseous form. Okay, so you can eliminate all these 3, and so your answer should be 3, and 3 is the correct answer. Quickly moving to the next question, and your time starts now. It is again from the coding decoding. So as I told you, you can find 3 to 4 questions from coding decoding. Okay, so just prepare very well. Okay, so as you can see, E, F, G, H, I. Okay, so there is a difference of 5 characters. Okay, J, K, L, M, N, O. So there is again plus 5. O, P, Q, R, S, T. So after addition 4 or the 5th state, you will get T. Similarly, you can proceed and check all these characters. Okay, so let's go with the next. H. After that H, you should have plus 5, right? So after H, what character should have? I, J, K, L and M should be there. Okay, so M should be there. So out of these 4 options, you can eliminate option 1 and option 4. After M, there again addition of 5 characters: M, N, O, P, Q and R should be there. Okay, so R should be there. So out of these 2 options, you are left with option 2. Okay, understood? So just it is addition of 5 characters in each of these alphabet. So the right answer is option 2. Okay, and option 2 was the right answer. Let's see the next question. It is very simple but very tricky. It is called logical sequence. Okay, this category is called logical sequence. Okay, so you need to make a sequence, meaningful order using these words. Okay, so there can be many possibilities, but the best meaningful order you need to pick. So if you analyze all these words, you will find first a person observes. So option 4. Okay, after observing, what we should do? We should listen. Okay, once we listen, then we need to analyze. Okay, after analyze, we should judge. Okay, and after judging, we should act. So option 2, that is 4, 2, 3, 5, 1 is the right answer. Okay, understood? Okay, let's see the next question. It is from the category called direction test. Direction test, where you need to tell the direction based on some condition. Okay, so I am facing east. Okay, just make this note: east, west, east, north, west, south. So you are facing east, means you are facing in this direction. Okay, now you turn 100 degree clockwise. Okay, so let's make a quadrant. So you are facing here, so you make 100 degree in clockwise. So this is clockwise, so this is 90, so you have turned in this position. Okay, so make it this as 100 degree. Okay, this is 100 degree. Now what you did, you again rotate with direction 145 degree in anti-clockwise. Okay, so anti-clockwise is reverse of clockwise. So after moving 145, so this is 100 and this is 45. Okay, this is total 90, so this is 45. So you are right now in this direction. So what, this is north, this is east, so northeast is the right answer. Okay, so option 2 is the right answer. Okay, let's see the next question. Okay, so what the question says, in total population of 70, 20 drink milk and tea, 35 drink milk and select the following Venn diagram. How many drink only me, how many drink only D, tree, and answer the following question. So you need to make Venn diagram for this particular question. So if you add all these, first it should be 70. Okay, so 35 plus 50, as you know, it is not total as 70. So you can eliminate. If you see this 20, 20, 20, how much? 60. Again you can eliminate this. This is 25, 25, 20, 50, 50 plus 6, 20, 70. Okay, then this is 35 plus 15, that is 40, 50, 60, 70. So out of these two options you need to pick. Okay, so let's see, read the next statement. If 20 drink milk and tea, okay, so both have this common as 20, so it is right. 35 drink milk. Okay, so if you see this as 35, so this means they are only drinking milk, so this represents 35, and the remaining this much drink only tea. Okay, so option 4 seems to be the valid one. Okay, so option 4 is the right answer. Let's see the next question. This type of question we have seen in all the ISRO exam. This is called interchange of numbers. Okay, interchange, this we have seen in all the years. Okay, a very simple one. Okay, so what you need to find the lowest number. Okay, lowest number, it is very simple, student. Just see the reverse the number. Okay, just first and last you need to interchange. Okay, so this 2 become in front. Okay, so here this is the lowest at present. Again 8, this is not lowest. 6, it is not less than 2. 8, it is not less than 2. So option 1 is the correct answer. Okay, this is very simple. Since you need to find the lowest, you need to see the most significant number digit at the front. Okay, so if they ask highest, again you need to look for this particular digit. Okay, okay, after interchanging, of course. Okay, so option 1 is the right answer. Let's see the next question. It is from the category called analogy. Okay, there you need to establish relationship between the given words. Okay, so yard is to inch. Okay, so as you know, yard is also a unit of measurement, and inch is also a unit of measurement. Okay, so quart, as you know, it is again a unit of measurement, but with respect to whom. Okay, so as you know, out of these milk and liquid, you can straight away eliminate it, as these are not unit. Okay, as these are not unit of measurement. So you are left with option 1 and 2. Gallon and ounce both are a unit of measurement, but for this particular question, as you know, gallon unit is greater than quarts. Okay, and greater than ounce. Ounce is the smallest of all. Okay, so if you see the relationship between yard and inch, yard is greater than inch. Okay, similarly, what you need to find, you need to find what relation so that quarts is greater than the following unit. So option 2, as quart is greater than ounce, so option 2 should be the right answer. Okay, so option 2 is the right answer. Okay, let's see the next question. It is again from the odd man out, you can say. It is classification, basically odd man out. So as you know, all these cornea, retina, pupil, these are parts of eye. These are parts of an eye. Okay, this is parts of an eye, whereas vision is not a part, so vision is the odd man out, so option 4 is the right answer. Okay, let's see the next question. This is from the blood relationship. Okay, in all the competitive examination you have at least one question on blood relationship, and as I told you, for these type of question you need to know how to draw the tree diagram. Okay, so let's make a tree diagram for that. So P is mother of K. Okay, so P is mother of K and K is sister of D. Okay, and D is father of D is father of J. How is P related to J? As you can see, there is one generation, so P should be grandmother of J. Okay, it is grandmother of J, so option 2 was the right answer. Okay, so option 2 is the right answer. Let's see the next question. It is from the non-verbal category, non-verbal. Okay, and it is basically from the embedded figures. Okay, embedded figures. So you need to make use of these things to make these figures. So let's see. So as you can see, you can eliminate this option. Why? Because this is 90-degree right angle triangle, but here there is no piece of right triangle. Okay, again as you can see, this is isosceles, this is scalene, right angle but not perfectly. Okay, so you can eliminate this option because there are two isosceles, two right angle triangle. Okay, similarly if you see this has square in it, so you can eliminate this also, so we are left with option 2. As you can put also, this represent this triangle and other represent these two triangles, so option 2 is the right answer. So option 2 is the right answer. Let's see the next question. I think this is the last question for this particular section. Okay, so this is from the meaningful word. Okay, so you need to make a meaningful English word from the letter E, N, A, L. Okay, so as I told you, there are how many possibilities? 1, 2, 3, 4 factorial possibility will be there. Okay, so instead we should make meaningful word by our assumption only. So first letter which you can come into your mind is lane. Okay, lane is the first word. Second word can come in your mind is lean. Lean is very thin. Okay, and the third and the most important word is Allen. Okay, this word generally student miss. Okay, Allen. What does this Allen means? Allen means energy. Okay, this word means energy. Okay, so generally we only represent these two words with this, but Allen is also one possibility, and this Allen word mean energy. It is meaningful word. So there are 3 words that which we can form from the letters E, N, A, L. Okay, so option 3 is the right answer. This is not option 2, this is option 3. Option 3 is the right answer. And if you are interested in other videos, we have made various video for especially DRDO and ISRO. So if you have not subscribed our channel, you can subscribe it and just go for your exam. Okay, so thank you for watching and have a nice day.